Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we talked about how to do calculated field in pivot table. So we just went to fields, items and sets, calculated field, and then we choose the columns that we want to have the calculate shown with. But I will show you now another way to do the calculation. So I will pull this here, and there is another way, which is just using the columns here, but need to have the same format. Is this good? Yeah, this is okay. Can I pull it down? Well, if I do it blindly I can, but I will have the same values all over. So I need to remove the dollar sign because this is fixed, and then still have the same values all over. Is this correct? Well, for this one definitely not. It should be 2.1. Then I need to have this as this one, and this one also as banana. Will be correct now. Yeah, now it's correct. Although this is a little bit more of a hassle. What can I do to make it even simpler? Well, Excel can be tricked, so I just say B4 minus C4, and let's pull it down. Did I get the same value? Let's check. This one minus this one should be 0. So there are multiple ways to do a calculation. The drawback of this one is that if I want to put a new column there now, then it will overwrite my cell in column D. So then the sensible way is to move it here, and then I am free to add any columns. So all the methods have advantage and disadvantage, so you should choose the one suiting your needs best. So there are 3 ways to calculate it field. Choose the pivot table or choose the cell. Simply. I hope you liked this trick. I will get back to you soon with other tricks and interesting topics. Thank you for your attention. Bye.